Many enterprises face challenges with indoor cellular coverage. Historically, only large venues could afford solutions like distributed antenna systems, or DAS. However, the introduction of multi-operator core network, or MOCN, is changing the landscape for businesses of all sizes. DAS relies on carrier-licensed spectrum and requires extensive infrastructure, making it costly and time-consuming to install. It demands parallel dedicated cabling and specific carrier designs, leaving about 85% of the market without viable options for in-building cellular coverage, according to ABI Research. MOCN, utilizing the Citizens Broadband Radio Service, or CBRS, offers a cost-effective alternative. It operates on publicly available spectrum, allowing for flexible deployment without carrier approval. MOCN networks leverage existing Ethernet infrastructure, making them faster to deploy and more adaptable to specific coverage needs. MOCN neutral host solutions provide enhanced in-building cellular coverage, benefiting industries like healthcare, hospitality, and manufacturing. By offering increased reliability, expanded coverage, and greater mobility, MOCN is a game-changer for enterprises seeking efficient and effective cellular solutions. Provision is an industry leader in wireless engineering, network optimization, and automation.